hindi ako sanay na hindi sports jerseys yung suot nyo, pero how was the night so far? Okay, so we're gonna be talking about this right now. Okay, we are very excited that you guys are here with us dahil nasubukan nyo na nga rin yung specs in itself. And Haji, ano bang pag-uusapan natin? I know na-mention ko na kanina, pero what are we gonna talk about tonight?
So ang pag-uusapan po namin ngayon ay ang storage, battery at charging ng Realme GT6. To start po, the Realme GT6 has a massive storage of 12 GB plus 256 GB.
Alright, so that is a lot of the RAM capacity and also idadagdag mo pa yung storage na possible. Ano ba yung gamit nito in terms of like storage variants? Because I'm not really familiar with the entire system.
Actually po, ang gamit po nito ng storage variants ay high-speed DDR5 RAM at UFS 4.0 ROM.
Okay, so we talked about storage, we talk about a lot of numbers as well, and yung memory or yung storage is really very much helpful. Gaano kalaking tulong ba yung storage in terms of phone?
Ang massive storage, tumutulong rin sa speed ng phone. So meaning, sobrang bilis at smooth talaga ng Realme GT6.
And ang RAM naman na ito, or we have 12 gigabytes with up to 12 gigabytes dynamic RAM expansion as well. Kaya kaya mag-multitask in terms of what you want to do. Dahil perfect din ito para sa ating mga manlalaro and para sa esports players such as you guys. Because as esports players, how do you usually, or bukod sa paglalaro, ano ba yung ginagawa niyo kasi?
Nag-Facebook tsaka TikTok.
Okay. Matik yun. Kasi streaming is also part of it, right?
So kapag nag-i-stream ka, pwede ka rin nag-shoutout ka, pwede ka mag-multitask. So napakabilis niyang mag-multitask. Balik-balik na lang.
That is a very nice take into it. Dahil walang lag, walang hassle, pabalik-balik nga na, just like what Oheb mentioned a while ago, with the Dash Memory Engine 3.0. Paano mo pinapadali nun in terms of the Dash Engine 3.0, yung buhay in terms of using it?
Actually guys, sober lang ng storage ng Realme GT6. Kaya na mag-store ng 7 to 12 340 titles na around 5 GB or higher each. Tulad ng mga nabanggit ni Ange at Doxy kanina.
Okay, so with that being said, there is a lot of kami kayong nilalaro na games also, mobile games aside from ML, but we're gonna stick with that. Okay, pero sa lahat ng mga gusto bumili ng Realme GT6 for the camera, there's a side note sa camera ng Realme GT6 kasi meron siyang 50 megapixel Sony LYT808 OIS camera. So for the storage size ng Realme GT6, ano ba yung kaya nito, Oheb, in terms of the capacity nila?
Kaya nito mag-store ng high resolution.
Okay, wait lang. Take 2 tayo. Take 2. Take 2 tayo. Ano yung kaya? Kasi medyo naubusan ka ng konti. Kayang-kaya na what?
Kaya nito mag-store ng high resolution photos, videos na up to 10,000 plus and kasama pa rin nila dyan yung mga games na matao sa memory.
Ang dami. Ang dami yung pwedeng i-store. So super dami. Kaya kung ang hanap nyo ay yung napakalaking storage and advanced memory tech, ang Realme GT6 ay kayang-kaya sumabay sa fast-paced lifestyle and heavy gaming preferences sa atin. Well, we talked about a lot in terms of memory. Siyempre, importante rin yung battery, right? Pagdating sa battery, ano bang meron ng GT6?
Pagdating naman po sa battery, syempre priority natin ang mabagal at mabilis mag-charge.
Okay? So wait, priority natin, ayaw natin yung mabagal. Diba? Gusto natin yung mabilis mag-charge. Well, we got an answer to that one dahil ang Realme GT6 ay may 120 watts SuperVOOC charge and may 5,500 milliamp hour battery. And yung na-mention ko kanina ng mga specs, ano ba yung kahalagahan nun? Specifically, Oheb, yung 120 watts sa SuperVOOC charge.
Kaya, actually, yung Realme GT6, sobrang bilis mag-charge. Kaya niya mag-full charge in just 26 minutes. Naka 100% battery ka na. If super nagmamadali kayo, kaya din. Dahil in 3 minutes, may 18% charge ka na. Or di kaya, 50% in just 10 minutes.
Okay, 50% in 10 minutes, right? 18% in 3 minutes. Sa mga ganong klase ba ng moments, makakapaglaro ka na, ano ba, Haji, yung kahalagahan ng charging for you in this phone?
Kasi po kami po, mahilig po kami mobile games.
Oo,
So,
yes.
yun po, pag nabitin po kami, halimbawa dalawa. So, pag mag-charge kami, sakit lang. So, makapaglaro ulit kami po.
Yeah, and especially with scrims, right? Madalas kayo naglalaro, so mas importante
namin
namin.
kasi gusto namin tuloy-tuloy lang yung pagpa-practice namin at hindi kami nadi-disturb. So, sobrang perfect nung phone kasi nakapaglaro kami ng tuloy-tuloy non-stop, nakapag-practice kami tuloy-tuloy kasi sobrang tagal niya laro.
That is a very important thing because they also want to be better players. At the same time, ang gamit ng Realme GT6 ay 120 watts GAN charging adapter na compact na, mabilis pa na mag-dissipate ng heat. Ano ibig sabihin ng G?
Ibig sabihin, kaya na ito fast charge nang hindi umiinit masyado ang phone. Portable, kaya pwede mo dalhin kahit saan. Diba may smart charging features dito rin.
Actually, meron siyang smart charging feature. So basically, it optimizes the battery and charging capabilities nito. And kasama na rin dyan yung smart charging protection, yung battery health monitoring, at yung aging battery charge acceleration. Well, the charging also goes hand to hand with the massive battery. Ano bang meron itong battery life ng Realme GT6? Okay.
So, ang Realme GT6 ay may 5,500 mAh massive battery. Alam natin na super battery efficient na ang Realme GT6 kaya may edge compared to other smartphone brands.
Well, usually, di ba, there's something different with that. Ano ba yung madalas namin nakikita sa ibang smartphones?
Madalas kasi sa ibang smartphones, 5,000 mAh yung battery. Pero ito kasi yung Realme GT6, may extra 500 mAh which acts as a bonus battery life.
Okay, so with that being said, ang dami nating nabanggit, yung charge, yung battery life, yung memory, among those three major things, ikaw, Oheb, ano ba yung pinaka-favorito mong spec or feature of the Realme GT6 out of everything?
Ako yung pinaka-favorite ko is yung fast charging na siya tapos matagal siya malungkot. Kasi lalo sa mga gamers, gusto kasi nila yung nakapaglaro ng non-stop nang hindi na nai-istorbo ganun ng low battery na hindi mapapahinga yung paglalaro. Ako ganun na kaya sobrang gustong-gusto ko yung phone na yun kasi nakapaglaro ako ng hindi ako nag-disturb.
Alright, so consistency and continuous playing. Ikaw, Haji?
Para sa akin po yung storage.
Alright, storage.
Kasi po makapag-download ko po ng maraming videos. So, tapos smooth po siya.
Especially with ML, right? There's a lot of updates in playing Mobile Legends. Well, overall, just like what they've mentioned, very hard to beat ang storage, battery, and charging ng Realme GT6. Just a quick question, boys. Realme GT6, rate it from 1 to 10.
Siyempre, kitang-kita naman sa mga specs na nabanggit natin.
Alright, with charging, with battery, and also with Haji, ikaw din. Siyempre, hindi ka pwede mag-ibas dito. 11! Alright, I see it. Well, that's finally it for these two boys. Again, everyone, please give a warm round of applause to